Is your Jeep a mall crawler? Top 5 signs you drive a mall crawler. First, what is a mall crawler? There seems to be some confusion on that, so let me share with you what is a mall crawler. A mall crawler is a 4-wheel drive SUV, a 4-wheel drive rugged truck, or a Jeep, all loaded with that rugged gear and share those awesome off-road accessories like a lift, aftermarket bumpers, winch, off-road lights, to name a few. And most of those off-road accessories are for looks only, not purpose. Off-road enthusiasts seem to shake their head at these vehicles. Why? Because their only use seems to be doing daily errands and driving to and from work on the Beltway. And some of those vehicles may even get lucky enough to be in a show and shine. Like I said, all those off-road accessories are for looks and not purpose. You know, 70% of all Jeep owners are dreamers and 30% are doers. My Jeep I use as a daily driver. I do errands in my Jeep. I take my Jeep to work. I have those aftermarket bumpers, those aftermarket lights, a lift, a winch, all that fun stuff. But all those things have purpose. I've used those things off-road. My Jeep has seen so much. My Jeep has been off-road, high up on those mountain trails, in those low rocky canyons, through creeks, over boulders on the Rubicon Trail. That is what makes my Jeep not a mall crawler. So, what are those top 5 signs? Let's go find out. Do you have a mall crawler? Number 5, a perfectly spooled winch cable. I forgot what that looks like. Number 4, no rock rash on the rims. In case you're wondering what rock rash is, let me show you. Number 3, mall crawlers have dash cameras, but the only footage you'll see is them driving to work. Number 2, you will find no scratches on the paint of a mall crawler, and sometimes the mall crawler owner will show up at the dealer looking for paint codes. Number 1, mall crawlers have enough lights on their Jeeps. When the electricity goes out in Texas, they get called for those Friday Night Lights football games. Those were my top 5 signs you drive a mall crawler. But you know what? That's okay. That's what's so great about the Jeep life. You do you. Do me a favor, go hit that red subscribe button and you can click that bell to get notified when I have new videos out on YouTube.